Full form of SAARC is South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. SAARC was established on 8th December 1985. SAARC was founded in Dhaka, Bangladesh. The headquarters of SAARC is Kathmandu, Nepal. Total members of SAARC is 8. Secretary General of SAARC is Sala Rowan Miranko. Pakistan joined SAARC in 8th December 1985. Trick to remember the SAARC countries. South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. Remember the word MBBS PM. Now we will discuss about all. First M shows Maldives. Second P shows Bangladesh. Third P shows Bhutan. Next S shows Sri Lanka. And number 5 shows P shows Pakistan, and A shows Afghanistan, and I shows India, and last N shows Nepal.